Today I'm going to teach you how to download the ClickUp desktop app. This is a great way to access ClickUp directly from your computer without needing to keep a browser tab open, giving you faster access and a more streamlined workspace experience. First, open up your browser. It doesn't matter which one you're using, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. Once you've got it open, type ClickUp Download into the search bar and hit Enter. This will bring up the search results related to downloading ClickUp. Now from the search results, look for the option that says Download ClickUp Mobile and Desktop App and click on it. This link will take you directly to ClickUp's official download page, where you'll find all the available options for different devices and operating systems. This is the hub for accessing ClickUp across all your devices, so it's worth bookmarking if you plan to set it up on multiple gadgets. Once you're on the download page, you'll see several options laid out for you. Here you can download the app for Windows if you're on a PC. There's also a QR code displayed on the page, which is super handy if you want to grab the mobile version. Simply scan that QR code with your phone's camera to download ClickUp for iOS or Android. This makes it incredibly convenient to get the app on your mobile device without having to search for it in the App Store manually. Additionally, you'll notice there are options to download it to other devices as well. Whether you're setting up ClickUp on a Mac, Linux machine, or any other compatible device, the options are all clearly presented on this page. To start the download for your chosen device, simply click the download button next to the platform you need. Once you click it, the file will begin downloading to your computer or device. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a moment, so just be patient while the download completes. After the download finishes, locate the file in your Downloads folder and open it to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup, and you'll have the ClickUp desktop app ready to go on your computer. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the ClickUp desktop app and can now enjoy quick access to all your tasks and projects right from your desktop. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.